What's up, YouTube? It's POP, Passed Out Pat. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a St. Ides malt liquor, 8.2. Last time I did a chug of one of these, I did it in 2, but I don't know if it makes a difference if I'm sitting or what. So, plus I'm tired. I already got my drink on. It's Colt 45. Now I'm sitting here talking to you. I want to light this cigarette. I'll probably get 10 years, so just give me beers till I get here. Yeah, I know the sun is coming up, and y'all are probably getting ready for closing up, but I'm trying to drown my soul. That wasn't cool, I hiccuped. That can turn out badly. I really hope this doesn't fuck me up, man. I got shit to do. Yes, it was meant to be. Romance is misery, so much for memories. And now I'm headed to the penitentiary. See me on TV. The next time I am a danger. I got to feel there's something about my anger that I never learned. Real things I don't concern. I'm more kerosene on everything I love. To burn, I know it's my fault. But I wasn't happy it was over. So I crashed that piece of shit. No, I'm going back again. Back to the I feel the buzz creeping up on me. When we all fall off the county van, they'll ask me where I've been at a bar on the inside, waiting for my ride on the outside. She broke my heart in the trailer park, so I jacked the keys to her fucking car. I crashed that piece of shit and then stepped away. I hate foam. Alright, POP, Passed Out Pat.